Nice, Phoenix.
Yes.
What are you eating?
Eat Mummy soup.
Eating Mummy's soup. Are you eating it nicely?
Yes.
Oh, good boy. Who's gorgeous?
It's gorgeous.
Yes, Phoenix is gorgeous.
Mummy!
Yes, darling.
Yeah.
Have you got it all over your hands?
Yes.
What shall we do?
I happened.
What shall we do?
What happened?
Shall Mummy clean it up for you?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes.